Welcome to JollyLoot. Let's open 1% Rolex box tonight. Let's go. First one in. It costs, well, 79.84. And the first item is, oh, of course, it's a 10 bucks. We saw it right away. We don't care about it. So we lost 80 already. Guys, let's keep track of how much money we lose doing that box opening. Second one is, oh, wow, it's another 10. Wow. Sell for 10. All right. Once again, here we go. Box number 3. By the way, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, of course, and use code Jolly at JollyLoot if you want 100% bonus and your free box. 3 times in a row we failed. 3 times in a row. Come on. Box number 4. And wow. What's that, guys? What's going on tonight? Here we go. One more box. So you want to play with me, huh? JollyLoot. Okay, guys. We do it in a different way. Watch that. We open instead of one box, we open 2 at the same time. 159 for that. Let's go. Oh, come on. So we lost 130 right now. Okay, back to 1. Nice and slow. Oh, maybe not. Wait, what is fast opening? Wait, guys, I never used fast opening here. Wait. So fast opening. Ooh. You have to spin it even faster to get that. All right. Sell it. I didn't really like fast opening, so I don't want to see my money, disappear that fast. Again. Yeah, right in the middle between Rolex and yeah. Okay, sell for 10 bucks again. 1% Rolex, right? But I know I lost already 600, but if you take a look at what items you can actually get there, it's 6 grand Rolex here. It's Casio G-Shock as well. And look, guys, look at that. Look at all those items you can get. So it's worth it. Go again. It was that cost to... Wait, why? Are you sure it's 80? Because it should be 800. Bro. JollyLoot. Come on. It's just shock. Okay, we keep it for now, but... yeah, well, wait. We got this one. We got, yeah, it's behind me here, so we got this G-Shock for 80. Fine. Spin it again. It's 10 again. We sell it. Guys, double box. Double box. Double. Double watch. Watch that. I have 2 hands. Need 2 Rolex. Guys, would you wear Rolex on both of your hands? That, 6 grand Rolex. Okay, one again. Oh, come on. We sell it again. Fine. By the way, can you hear the sound of this wheel spinning? Yeah. You can hear it now. Oh. By the way, that red watch looks amazing. What's that? Wait. That red watch is... it's Casio G-Shock again. All right. So can I take a closer look? Up here. So yeah, Casio 104. It's 141 only. So okay. One more. Wait, so we lost 1 grand already. You only got 1 watch. So 1K in and only 1 watch. Sell it. Please. Have to get that. It is give me Apple Watch. Oh, come on, it's not. No, it's not. It's not. It's well, G-Shock, but it's not. We keep it, guys. We might keep it for the upgrade mode. Yeah. I feel it. It's Rolex. My hand is scratching. Itching. Again, guys. We do it again. Oh, I guess it's not my day. Okay, 3 boxes. If you unbox three boxes, 3 Rolex boxes, 239. Come on. But please, no 3 coupons. No. Back to 1 again. 9, I got this one. Okay. 141. It's a little profit, and I like this one. I think I would personally wear that when I go outside. Shame I don't go outside often. But yeah, this one. Okay, this one is not bad. But it's still like G-Shock. What about Rolex? It's not. How much I spent already? Well, we got 3, but wow, I spent 1.7. Definitely not my day. Or maybe not a good day for Rolex box. It feels like someone already unboxed Rolex today. That's why it's that hard. But okay, again. Again. So you want to tell me, if I open 5, as we usually do, if I open 5 boxes right now, we get 5 $10 coupons. Coupons. How? Okay. So yeah, that's what you want to tell me. So I put $400 in, right? And you want to tell me I get 5 times 10. At least 1 Apple Watch, come on. Oh, that's something. Nice one, nice watch, babe, big gold, silver edition. Wow, that's now that's money, guys. Look, it's like $87 profit here. Whew. So it worked. Well, I still sell it to get money back, and well, we do it again. We go for it again. 5 boxes at the same time. Oh, it's a no. We lost 28. We lost $28. We got Swatch again, Babe white camo. I like Babe. I like that brand, but not sure about this watch. All right, we sell it again, and a few quick openings in the end, guys. Let's go for it. I lost my hope getting Rolex tonight, but you never know. Fast opening. Sell it. Fast opening. Sell it. 1 slow opening. Whoa, no, I thought slow one worked. Worked out. Okay, 3 more boxes, and I'm done. I spent already a fortune here trying to get the Rolex. That's one. Come on, one time. I just come on. Okay, last one. No. What the hell? Five. Enough money? Yeah, guys, I have 422, so it's enough money now. All right. 5 at the same time. Yay! Jackpot. For real. Fine. Is it enough? Oh no, it's not enough. It's not enough, guys. It's not enough. It's not enough for another one. All right. I have 3 watches now, guys. I tried to record another video where I tried to upgrade those into ROLEX, right? Or into something, you know, valuable for me, like the last time. Check my other videos on the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Prepare yourself for the giveaway as well. It's on the way. And yeah, leave a comment. Tell me what to do in the next video. That's what I want. Yeah, guys, and of course, check the description. Go to my JollyLoot. Use code Jolly when you make a deposit here, and you get 100% bonus. You get your free box, and maybe you get that Rolex watch. All right. See you in the next video.